Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Oneplus 8T mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the rear cover removal. To remove the rear cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the rear cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option, and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the rear cover. Take out the rear cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect the flash connector plug, and then undo 9 screws to lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the PCB cover. Next, take out the main flex by disconnecting plugs from the top and the bottom. Next, undo the screw and disconnect both antennas and 2 connector plugs, and then by using a pry tool, take out the secondary PCB board. And next, take out the broken charging port flex by disconnecting the plug from the top and undoing the screw. Next, replace the new charging port flex cable and connect it to the logic board, and then add the screw to secure the port. Next, place the secondary PCB board and lock in with the screw, and then connect 2 connector plugs and both antennas into the secondary board. Next, place the main flex and connect it by both ends. Next, place the secondary PCB cover by adding 7 screws. Next, plug in the battery plug and place the mainboard frame by securing 9 screws. And also do not forget to plug the flash sensor and the shield. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the rear cover on the body. Before installing the main rear cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided rear cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.